Thank you very much for watching this video on how to download the weekend card using the new Shop My Account area on the martinjulian.com website. The main change now is that you can buy credits on our shop, which aren't just for use against the weekend card, they can also be used for other services. For example, the Royal Ascot online preview is 1 credit per day, so 5 credits for the whole meeting, or 1 credit for one edition of the weekend card. So previously, where people would buy credits for the online weekend card, you would receive an email every week saying it's available to download. Unless you've ordered the week's edition, you won't receive that email anymore. If you're on our general marketing list, you may well receive an email letting you know it's available, but you're not going to receive that notification email, and that's because credits are now a type of currency. So if you go to our shop, you'll see we've now got categories here. So if I go to weekend card, on the right hand side, first of all, it's bringing up postal editions for people that choose to have it posted out to them every week. And then as you scroll down, you'll start to see these online editions. And there it says the edition number and the date that they're published. Rather annoyingly, the most kind of recent one or the next one available is further towards the bottom, but I have asked to see if I could change that. If you know that you're going to want the next few weeks, you could add them all to basket and then check out using your credits or by paying with money if you prefer. And that means by adding that order to your account, you will get that notification email as soon as we upload the service to the site. The main reason I actually had this site built is so that people get instant access to services that are available. This is, although useful for the weekend card, really important when it comes to those major race meetings where we quite often receive orders very late at night and people would sometimes have to wait till the next morning to download the information. Now, for example, if someone went to the website at 1 in the morning, placed an order for, let's say, Royal Ascot online preview for the next day, assuming we'd written it and it was uploaded, you would get access there and then. Moving back though to the weekend card and how to download it. First of all, I'm just going to log into my online account with my email address and my password. As I'm in the shop, I've remained in the shop area. However, up here on the right-hand side, I can click on my account. This is my main dashboard with just a few little bits of information. But if I go to orders here on the left, I can see if I have any credits. I'm just going to scroll down past existing orders that I have, and I can see credits. You have 48 credits. That means I can choose to obviously buy a weekend card with a credit. If you don't have any credits, you can click here to buy some. The rather unusual thing is if you're buying credits, you can't buy anything else at the same time, and that's because credits are a type of currency. So the best thing to do is to buy your credits and then go back to the shop and add any other services that you might want. So I would like this week's edition of the weekend card. So I'm going to go to shop because I haven't yet ordered it, which is up here. I'm going to change the categories here on the right hand side to weekend card just to make it a little bit easier. Just going to scroll down and find this week's edition, weekend card 7th of June, and it is available now. So I'm just going to add to basket. Now you can click on view basket here, or you can scroll back up and go to view cart. Okay, here, weekend card 7th of June, it's £7 or 1 credit. So I'm going to proceed to checkout. My details are all saved, and you'll see here on the right hand side it says credits, your current balance 48, or I can pay with a credit or debit card. I'm going to leave credits highlighted as it is. I'm going to tick to say that I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the website. You can obviously click on that link and they'll open in a new window for you. And then I'm going to go to place order. I have to say, this is running a little bit slower than I would like, and it is something that I've raised as a query with the web developers today. A couple of times I've actually refreshed this browser by going back into the web address bar up here and clicking enter. I did that earlier and I realised I was just being impatient, which I think is what I'm being now, so I'm just going to hit enter again. It does reload. Right, checkout is not available while your basket is empty. You see, this just shows that even on our own website, I can also have issues. If I go to my account, what I'm hoping is going to happen, if I click on orders, that order has actually gone through. And it has. For some reason, that is running slow, and I do apologise. Again, you can do what I've done and refresh that page, or you can go to orders. What should happen is a page should come up just confirming your order. You will also receive an email. Okay, anyway, the main thing is the order is in there, order number 4681 for the weekend card on the 7th of June. If I just circle that, you can see that. And then here is view. Okay, and that's where we're going to click to download the edition. So I just click there. There we go, click to open. That's because this publication is now available. It means that you do get instant access. So let me click there now. Now it's a downloadable service. It won't open automatically, but as you can see, my downloads come down to the bottom left of my screen. So I'm just going to click there, and then it will open in a new window, and I can just scroll through the publication. Just going to go back. There is a guide if you're not sure where your downloaded files go. If you click on support here on the left-hand side or at the top up here, where is my download? We've tried to give you a good guide there, depending whether you're using Internet Explorer or Chrome, Safari, as to where the publication is. Okay, so now if I go back to my account, orders, it will just remain in there for me to view. And I can see it again. If it wasn't yet available, it won't say click to open here. It'll just not give you that option. And then when it is available and uploaded, you'll receive an email letting you know it's available. And then you can just log in, come to orders, and there it is. Okay, that concludes this tutorial video. I hope that that's made things easier. If you experience any difficulties, feel free to email support@martenjulian.com or another email if you have one saved already. You can also call us in the office on 01539 741 007, and we do also offer a live chat option from our homepage. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.